Hi, I'm Katie Fuchs from Collaborative Classroom. I'm going to be talking to you today about being a reader. This is an unboxing video, so you can see the materials that come within your Being a Reader kit. These are grade 4 materials, but please know that grades 3 and 5 look very similar to what you see here. Let's start with this box. This is a full inventory list of all the materials that come within your Being a Reader package. Here we have a bookmark that's for you, the educator. On one side, it has strategies to get students talking to one another, and on the other side, it has tips for facilitating discussions. This is helpful to mark your place in your unit manual and to ensure that you're facilitating student discussion. This is our implementation handbook. It provides a program overview of being a reader, as well as instructional supports and planning resources. Let's begin walking through our materials by looking at our whole group reading. Being a Reader is organized into 7 units. Reading strategies, genres, and some thinking tools are introduced within the first 2 units, and the remaining 5 are organized by genre. This is consistent across grades 3 through 5. Here are our trade books, 20 highly curated fiction and nonfiction texts that you'll use during your reading lessons. These are the reteaching books. If you have a small group of students or your whole class that needs additional practice with a reading strategy, skill, or genre, we provided the reteaching text here for you. Continuing with whole group reading, you have a student response book. This is a consumable resource. This includes a variety of activities that are related to the reading lesson. Students are able to record their thinking. There's excerpts from the read aloud, and it provides opportunities for students to think deeply about the text through their reading and through their writing. Another strand of whole group instruction is word study, and to that end, we've provided the word study notebook. Word study instruction includes learning how words work, vocabulary acquisition, and word consciousness. A strand of word study is guided spelling. You can see here our spelling sound chart. Any sounds that can be spelled more than one way, for example, challenging vowels, will be here as you introduce them in the guided spelling. You want to ensure that this is displayed somewhere so that students can refer to it during the lesson. Moving away from whole group and into individualized daily reading, students have the opportunities to participate in small group reading, book clubs, and independent reading. Here is your teacher's manual, which provides instruction for small group reading and book clubs, as well as 6 copies of all of the text that's mentioned in this teacher's manual. These are all of your physical materials, but we have essential materials and resources that can only be found on our learning portal. On the front page of your implementation handbook is a QR code that you can scan to access our learning portal and claim a license for your grade level's materials. Some of the things that we have available on the learning portal are lesson resources, reproducibles, projectables, assessments, and resources for reteaching. Some of the essential elements for our individualized daily reading is our IDR activities and sample conferences are available there. Additionally, we have a wealth of resources for book clubs and small group reading, as well as our digital-only version of the Reading Assessment Preparation Guide. I hope that this Being a Reader unboxing video was helpful for you to see all of the resources. We are here to help you as you begin your Being a Reader journey. Once you log onto the learning portal, support is just a click away. We look forward to supporting you on your journey.